They told us the future would be made of steel and cold glass, that the cities would grow until they touched the stars, leaving the earth behind. But they were wrong. Nature has a way of returning. Here in Sector 4, the silence isn't empty. It's full of the smell of jasmine and old gasoline. I wake up before the solar grid kicks in. I check my motorcycle, though there are fewer places to go these days. Some people say this is the end of history. To me, it feels like a new beginning. The flowers grew back the day the machines stopped talking. Now they are the only ones who know the truth. I stop at the Old World Cafe. Mr. Sato is still there, polishing the same brass cups he's held for 40 years. He says the coffee tastes better when the city is this quiet. I think he's right. Sometimes I look at the old posters on the walls, a time when everyone was in a hurry to get somewhere. I wonder if they ever stopped to look at the clouds. In District 2097, time doesn't move in a straight line. It circles around us like the vines climbing the skyscrapers. We aren't moving toward the future anymore. We're just being. I have a delivery today, a collection of old memory chips. I hope they contain something beautiful, something worth remembering. The Blue Tram is the heartbeat of the district. As I watch the city pass by the window, I see the layers of who we were. The concrete, the chrome, and now the green. It's a long ride to the center, but I don't mind the wait. Work is a bit tiring today. My boots feel heavy, and my mind is full of the echoes of people I never met. But there is a peace in this exhaustion. The sun is dipping below the horizon now. The tangerine sky is turning to a deep electric indigo. My van is waiting for me. My books are waiting. Sector 4 is falling asleep, and I think it's time for me to rest in my dreams too.